Class 7 Computer Chapter number 1. Now let's continue our chapter number 1. Now in the last video class we have seen about functions in Excel. I have explained you the functions in Excel. Now let's see how to apply those functions practically. I'll tell you in this video class. Now in the last video class I have explained you theoretically. Now let's see how to apply those functions here in Excel. Now I'll open an Excel program here. Now I have already opened an Excel and I have made a table also. Now these are the names of the students. Suppose these are the names of the students, these are the serial numbers, and these are the subjects in which the student gets his marks. Now Mr. Tomthin gets, in maths he gets 98 marks, in science 95, English 98, Hindi 99, Manipuri 99, like this. Now the student Akash gets these marks, then Alex, Grandson, Kailash, all these 5 students gets these marks in their term exam. Okay, now let's see here. Now Mr. Tomthin get these marks in the 5 subjects, 1 2 3 4 5. In these 5 subjects he get these marks. Now let's see the total marks Mr. Tomthin obtained here. Now what will you do here? We'll use a function here. Some function will use. Now you click. Now you want to add these marks and display the result here. So you click here, then click on the formula bar here. Now what will you do is you write the function for sum. Now you write for formula and function in Excel, you have to first write an equal to. So you write equal to here like this, then you write sum like this from the keyboard, and you open bracket like this. Now after this, what will you do is you can add these marks. Now the marks Mr. Tomthin gets in maths is 98. So 98 is in C4. So you write here C4 plus, next is D4, next is D4 plus, next is E4 plus F4 plus Z4 here. Now you close the bracket here. Now these are the marks he gets, so you simply press enter. Now the total marks Mr. Tomthin get is 483. So like this you can write the function, or instead of writing this cell one by one, so I'll delete this again. So instead of writing this cell name one by one and adding all those cells one by one, you can also do like this. You give here, type here equal to, then you write sum, then you open bracket here like this, then you write the first starting cell, that is C4. See, marks of match is in C4 cell, so you write C4 here, then you write colon means from C4 cell to you want to add till Z4. So you simply write here Z4 and you close the bracket here, then you press enter like this, then it will show the result here like this. The total marks here Mr. Tomthin get is 483 like this. Now after applying this, you can what you will do is no need for writing for these, no need for writing for other student, no need for writing the function. You just click here and you just use the autofill handle like this, click and drag like this. It will automatically add all the numbers. Now see, click here. Now from C5 to G5 masa matonda akoina autofill handle season matonda ahamagi function se katene akoina sida hapise ko sida C4 dagina si G4 bo add to haire masa matonda add tokre tomthinda phangi si 483 marks se phange kai da maths ne science ne english ne hindi ne manipuri ne mathangda akasna phangwasina 342 siju yung sida click tong matamda C5 tagini G5 po automatically corresponding magi cell singdo loina ma half kramne autofill handle na sijanaraga C5 tagina G5 po sidagi amu siju C6 tagina G6 po sisna Mr. Alex na phange mathangda grandson na 419 phange mathangda Kailas na 425 phange khangni ko gen tarbar si haije sida corresponding cells na masa matonda add to grane ba kai do comment to ino sise autofill handle seasonaraga automatically add to ba or you can write separately one by one nangna apamagadi you can write the functions one by one also nangna iningagadi amam tongan na ireju kaiju kaide but matam mang dana bagi damakta I use the autofill handle here, okay, to save time. No need for writing again and again all the formula like again and again like this. So I use, instead of that, I use the autofill handle and automatically all the numbers are added, all the marks are added like this. Khangni ko matonda dum add to hongi natradi autofill handle seasonaraga setchingaga matam mangdredana natradi aina formula si function je amam subje sidana kari add to deno C7 dagina G7 bo add to ba sum equal to open bracket C7 colon G7 colon jina kaino C7 to G7 haine C7 dagina G7 bo add to haine ba sum haije yan tani ko si sum gi ja isini na han to ki budu then max haidi mark mayam sida khwai dagi yamba mark se karam manu sida display to haine ba yan tai ko now you will display here the highest marks in which Mr. Tomtin gets. The highest mark will be displayed here. So what will you do here? You simply write equal to here, then you write max, then open bracket, then from cell number, cell name, cell C4, from cell C4 to Z4. Now close the bracket. Now from here you see the highest mark from C4 to Z4. From this mark you display you search for the highest marks and display here. Now press enter here like this. Now the highest mark Mr. Tomtin gets is in Hindi. He got 99. The 99 is displayed here. Okay. Again in this cell, if you don't want to use autofill handle, you can write here separately. You click here and you search the highest marks for Mr. Akash. Now here I'll write the formula max max open bracket from C5 to Z5, from C5 to this 2 means from C5 to Z5. Close the bracket and press enter. The highest mark Mr. Akash get in all the subject is 87 in maths. 87 is not man kwai yam phangi je maths sa atai sidagi di 87 kwai yam phangi 87 sa display tor. As minor you can write differently. You can write here and you can write separately here like this. One by one also you can write all the functions. But it's time consuming. Matam mangi koida, so you better use autofill handle and drag like this. So the autofill handle season raga masam to na loina mag fill tawre natra. Next, here also same thing. You write here, you click here for finding the minimum marks he get in all the subjects. You write here equal to, you write min open bracket from C4 to till G4. C4 again G4 book, you will find the minimum mark he get. Now press enter. The minimum mark he get is 93 in Manipuri. So 93 is displayed here. Now after this, you can write separately the function also, or you can use the autofill handle and drag like this, and all the minimum marks are shown here. Now the minimum marks Mr. Kailas get is 69 in Manipuri. So 69 is displayed here. Mr. Grandson gets the least mark in Manipuri. He also gets the in Manipuri, so 69 is also displayed here. Mr. Alex gets the least mark in science, 47, so 47 is displayed here. Mr. August gets the least mark in Hindi, so in 52. Okay, Hindi 52 is displayed here like this. Now you can get the average of these all the marks and displayed here also. Okay, this is level. I'll add these all the numbers I'll add here. So you click here and you click to the formula bar and you write equal to, what you will do is just write average, AVERAGE, average from C4 to G4 and close the bracket. Now the average is 96.6. Now here also you can write separately the function here, or I'll use the autofill handle here. You bring the mouse pointer here and go for here. This is the dark square here. The pointer will change to dark plus like this. Now left mouse button, click left mouse button and hold, then drag, and all the average has been displayed here for all the students. Like this you can do it. And in the count also you can apply the count. You have to write here equal to and COUNT, count, and open bracket from C4 till G4 and close the bracket and press enter here. Count means what? He is counting the cells from here till here. 1 2 3 4 5. Now there are number of cells he is counting is 5. Now to count the number of cells containing only numeric data, he is counting only the numeric data. Okay, so these all the 5 cells have numeric data, so count number is 5 here. Now you can use the autofill handle here like this and you can drag like this. Got it? This is how we write the function. Now the other functions also are given in counted. To count the number of cells that are not empty, leaving the blank cells out of a selected range of cells. Now count A also you can do it. Now today also to display the time. If you want to display the time, suppose you want to display the time here, suppose here, let's see here, you want to suppose to display the time also, you can display the time and date. For time and date you have to write now function, and for only date you have to write today. So let's write here today equal to TODAY, today. Now open bracket and close bracket and press enter here. You write equal to here, then write today, 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 then open bracket, close bracket. Don't write anything inside the bracket and press enter. Now it will display today's date. It is 28/10/2020 like this. Today's date, it displays today's date. Now if you want to display here, suppose date and time both, for that you have to write equal to here, then you write NOW now, then open bracket and close bracket and press enter. Now it displays the time. Okay, it displays the time and the date also. Date and time both are displayed here. Now time is given in 24 hours, so it's written here 16:34. अखोइना सिगी total marks ने, max ने, min ने, average ने, count ने सी लोइखर मतुंगदा अखोइना date display तो के हारगदी अखोइना सिदा click तो मतमदा सिदा date थोकले हाना इखरबनिना. But in the formula bar you can see here the function equal to today haga bracket open anga bracket close anga bracket mong kemte iroi se lei posi si ramtunda enter pura kana keyboard gi se date thule. Next date ka time ga thola ke haga di the equal to iraga now any bracket open bracket close aganda now igada khangani ko sigi ja. Then and the last one is rounding off to some numbers. So in your book it's given here, you can write here equal to ROUND, round, and you open bracket here. Suppose I'll write the number directly as given in your book. now 34.5673 comma 2 and you close the bracket here. Now it will return 34.57. Now see carefully here that a number is given here 34.5673. Now 2 is you round this number up to 2 digits. 2 is na kaino 2 digits po round off to round off to 2 digits only. After comma 2 is written means round off to 2 digits only. If you write 1 here, round off to 1 digit only. If you write 3 here, round off to, it will round off to 3 digits. Round off to 2 digits pok to hai begin is 2 is 3 ilagadi 3 oidini round off to 3 pok to 3 digits pok. Koina 3 digits pok display to pamagadi 1 digit pok to ke gana 1 ibi lore. Hangni ko aina se 2 ilabani na round off to 2 la ni se da 34.567 lere. Other round off to till 2 digits havenina after this decimal point matung the 2 digits po round off to havenina koina se to digi se da decimal point matung da 56 lere 56 lere matung da sibok lere matung thang da 7 le 7 jidi 5 natraga 5 tagi hele. If 7 is greater than 5, so it will add 1 to this 6, then it will display as the answer will be 34.57. Now I'll press enter here in the keyboard. Now the answer is 34.57. 34.57 la ichi kari maram gi no hairagadi say the 2 digit pok to habina 5 6 lere 6 ki 2 digit pok display to habini mathangi 7 ji mathangi decimal point gi matung la iba 7 ji 3 digit ahum chuba decimal point gi matung da ahum chuba sing 7 ni na 5 tagi chawre adana sigi mamangi hek mai mamanga leba 6 da 1 8 of salani adi sida 5 7 la. Okay, now if you want to change this to 3, suppose 2 digit ke mota 3 digit 2 digit ke monda you write here 3, it will round off to 3 digits. Okay, now 5 6 7 it will display here. Then after 3 the third digits after decimal point ki matungda 3 digit ki matungda kay lai 3 is less than 5 aduna si je 5 6 7 se dum display toroni. You see here I'll press enter see 34.567 adum display tor here yantai ko ina haija sida 5 6 7 3 digits lai le decimal point gi matungda aduga se 3 have round off to 3 have ni matungda 3 digit decimal point gi matungda 3 digit gi matungda lai je 3 ne wase lai number se 3 oi banina 5 6 3 is less than 5 aduna 5 6 7 to ni among number home je kem lenga. If I change it here instead of 3, if I change to 8, ida 8 oi ragadi greater than 5 oi ra this da ama 8 to sala ne. Now see here 34.568 la is kay you know ha ragadi say da 34.5678 see 3 digit pok lai gre athang da 8 lai rabina 8 is greater than 5 oi bina mamangi lai ba 7 say da 1 plus torani aduga say da 34.568 la is and there you go. Is now round off to or round off to say the instead of this 3 you can write here 1, we'll round off to 1 digit only 34.6 like okay, you know why it's displaying here 34.6 because we are rounding off after decimal point we are rounding off to only 1 digit. So after decimal point it's 5 6 here 5 6 7 here, then 5 after 5 the number here is 6, that is 6 is greater than 5 6 ina 5 tagi chawrabanina sigi mamangda laiba 5 sida 1 8 of salani dana 34.6 line khangani ko that is season ma'am si total marks of 10 lele maximum marks minimum marks average count koina season akiba sina round off to after decimal point. If you want 1 digit 2 digit 3 digit you can put here na half yare sida. Now to display date you have to write today or equal to today bracket open bracket close. For date and time you have to write the function now. This is another togdini gyan tarani ko sige se na si loira matungda. Now for today Now today's class, let's end here for today. So in the next class, I'll tell you about the cell referencing in Excel. Cell referencing haibase kaino haibasi and next video class to utlage, and some common errors in formula and sorting data in Excel also. Now there are some other features also like cell referencing. There are two types of cell referencing: relative cell referencing, absolute cell referencing, and some common errors in Excel. What will it display if you write the wrong formula or wrong function? Formula natraga function lana iragadi kamaina errors pirai Excel da. Adagi cell referencing makal ani chui. Relative cell referencing haibamne, absolute cell referencing haibne duna karino, and sorting of data uniformity ki matung ina when the data is ascending or descending, the kamaina sort to be how to sort data in ascending or descending order, and sorting of one column or range of cells that we'll see in the next video class. I'll explain you first, then I'll show you practically also. Okay students, stay safe, stay home and stay healthy.